Before the mountains rose from ancient stone, before the wandering peoples had a home, when chaos reigned and darkness held the land, Ul came forth and stretched his mighty hand. He found his children lost upon the plain. He heard their cries, he felt their endless pain. The Father spoke and gave to them his name. He lit for them an everlasting flame. Through endless years of wandering we walked, through empty waste where no green thing had stopped. Yet Ul's wisdom guided every stride. The Father's love remained our constant fight. He taught us patience in our time of need. He showed us how to live by righteous deed. When other peoples turned their backs in scorn, Ul held us close though we were tired and worn. In caves beneath the earth we made our way. Ul's gentle hand protected us each day. He gave us strength to bear our heavy load. He showed to us the long and hidden road. The Father asked no temples built of gold, no sacrifice of lambs from out the fold. He seeks instead a pure and humble heart. From truth and justice we must never part. Oh, the patient, oh, the wise and true, our Father keeps us as the morning dew. We praise his name from depths beneath the ground. In Ul alone our lasting peace is found. Forever shall we sing the Father's praise. Ul guides his children through the endless days.